सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 180, verse 44. Samudharanti vipram Sidantam matparayanam Tanuddharishyena chirat Apadbhyo naurivarnavat. Lord Krishna, after completing the Brahmacharya ashrama, he has entered the Grihastha ashrama, second stage of human life, that is household life. Entering into Grihastha ashrama, that means a brahmachari gets married and take up that grihastha-ashrama dharma to perform all rituals. Once he gets married, only the grihastha gets qualification to perform all Vaidika karma. Performance of Vaidika karmas prepares the person or qualifies the person for moksha prapti. All four stages of life meant for only moksha prapti. So moksha prapti is the ultimate purpose of ashrama dharma. Moksha prapti is the ultimate goal of human pursuit. For that purpose only ashrama dharma. That we have to remember. Grihastha-ashrama is not just for Grihastha-ashrama, but in Grihastha-ashrama one has to pursue the spiritual lifestyle, spiritual journey. For that, wife and husband both have to help each other for that fourth purushartha. That is the intention of Grihastha ashrama. Of course, in that ashrama also one has to perform one's own varna duties. Brahmana varna, Brahmana grihastha. So Brahmana varna duties already mentioned. Veda adhyanam, Veda yajanam, yajanam, and dana parigraham. Brahmana karma, Brahmana grihastha. How the Brahmana grihastha has to be protected by Kshatriya also Lord Krishna introducing now. Having talked about Brahmana varna, Brahmana grihastha. Now this Brahmana grihastha has to be taken care of by the Kshatriya grihastha. Brahmana grihastha job is to improve the awareness of religious life, Vedic lifestyle in the people. It has to persuade everyone to be religious and to be dharmic and further pursuit of life. Dharma is common for all varnas, for all ashramas. If dharma is there, artha, wealth can be enjoyed and utilized properly. If dharma is there, values are there, that enjoyment also dharmic, and it is useful for the person also as well as to the society also. And dharma is useful for even moksha also. So dharma is the first purushartha presented by our Vedas. If dharma is not there, values are not there, that wealth also cannot be enjoyed properly, and that entertainments are also not healthy if dharma is not there. They cannot allow the person to go to higher spiritual life, that entertainments are pleasures. We can have pleasures, we can have entertainments, but in keeping with dharma, then you are safely landed at spirituality. That means you get peace of mind with wealth, you get peace of mind with your entertainments, you get physical health, mental health and emotional health when you have dharma. If dharma is not there, other three also you cannot achieve. So dharma is compulsory. To understand in our own language, this is all shastric way of presentation. Even materialistic prosperity also possible, and its fulfillment and enjoying that also possible only when dharma is there. So we should not compromise with dharma. How to know all my pursuits are dharmic or not? You know very well. Everyone knows what is dharmic. Not that they do not know. Everyone knows. But at the cost of these pleasures, wealth, name, fame, we compromise with values. Not knowing the consequence in future, how I am going to spiritually fall, leave it spiritual fall. First, I cannot live even peacefully also if I compromise with the values. Why I compromise? Not knowing the negative consequences which are going to come later. Therefore, dharma is the most predominant part of human life. Dharmic life, I said dharma means our own duties. Brahmanas has to do Brahmana kartavyam. Brahmana duties also called dharma. And sadbhavana, right attitude, is also called dharma. What is right attitude? All values. Love, care, forgiveness, sharing, accommodation, adjustment, leaving our selfishness aside, that is also dharma. We don't say stop your selfishness totally, 100% be selfish, less. Shastra wouldn't expect. But reduce your selfishness. Don't harm to others at the cost of your selfishness. That much only Shastra asks us, not completely. Because every human being wants their own prosperity, natural, intrinsic. But at the cost of others' life, at the cost of our culture, harming to our culture, harming to that other human harmony in the society. I should not earn money that way. I should not work for my pleasures too much by harming others, one way or other. Knowingly or unknowingly, I should not do that. I have to be very, very alert. This is called awareness. This awareness has to be kept alive all the time. That can be possible only when I am religious, at least God-fearing person. Religious disciplines to be followed. Therefore, Brahmana Varna, Brahmana Grihastha is the pillar of the society. Having said that, now in this verse, he is addressing all other Varna people, especially Kshatriyas. Kshatriyas, their job is to protect the Brahmanas. There is one shloka, Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahishaha Gro Brahmanebhya Supamastu Nityam. In that shloka, Brahmana word comes. Go Brahmana Shubham Astu Nityam. Let the Brahmanas be prosperous. Let the Brahmanas be happy, peaceful in persuading the people in that dharmic way. So Brahmanas, when they are protected, what type of Brahmanas? As Krishna expected, that Brahmanas I am talking. A Brahmana who is working for society, who is teaching dharma to people, and who is propagating Bhagavan's values all given by Bhagavan, who is propagating, making them people to be dharmic, that Brahmana should be taken care of. Which Brahmana is very simple in living and who is high in thinking, that Brahmana has to be taken care of by the Kshatriya ruler. Then who will take care of that Kshatriya? Bhagavan says, I will take care of them. Brahmana, Vaishya, Shudras must help to Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudras must help to Brahmana in performing his duties, Brahmana duties. Gurukulams, temples and education, all those are taken care of by the Brahmana. They have to provide infrastructure to that Brahmana. And I will take care of these people. That is the meaning of this verse. Ye vipram samudharanti. Ye kshatriyaha, vaishyaha, sudraha, vipram, brahmanas, sidantam matparayanam samudharanti. They have to help that Brahmana, not all Brahmanas, they need not help. Those who are committed to my, Bhagavan says, Matparayanam means connected to Bhagavan, whatever is there, they are propagating. Connected to Bhagavan, what? Temples, educational institutions, gurukulams, all rituals, they are all propagating by Brahmanas. That's why Matparayanam, committed to Bhagavan's instructions. These Brahmanas are committed to Bhagavan's instructions, Bhagavan's teachings. That is why their Anushtanam is morning, Bhagavan Chintana Anushtanam, Madhyana Puja, Sayankala Puja. Why they have to do? Because they are all, Bhagavan says, Matparayanaha. When they are in distress, when they are financially, because of their sickness, because of some problem in the family, Sidantam, when they are in adverse situation, Sidantam Matparayanam Vipram, Ye Samudharanti, all those people are Tan aham is not there, you can supply. Tan achirat, na chirat means without any delay. Achirat means quickly, soon. Na chirat means without any delay. That means very, very soon, quickly. Now he arnavat iva apadbhyaha uddharishye. I will protect them, I will uplift these Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras, those who help to that Brahmana. I will protect them, these other three Varnas. Now means the boat. How it protects the people, it saves the people to travel from the ocean, cross the ocean, or a person who is drowning in the ocean. See, this boat comes and protects the person and takes the person to the other shore. Like that. So that boat is the helper to cross the sea. Like that I help these Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudras. When I will help them, when they help that Brahmana who is in adverse situation. Now this shloka is telling what? Indirectly. Brahmanas must do their duties. That is the hidden message of this shloka. Aha, Kshatriya should protect me, Vaishya should protect me. When they will protect, when they will help, when you are following your Brahmana duties. If you violate your duties, they cannot protect you. They will not protect. Why they have to protect? That is the reason the sloka I read, Go Brahmani Swasti Prajabhyaha. Let there be a Swasti, Kshema, auspiciousness. Prajabhyaha, of people, society. Let there be a harmony in the society. Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam. The ruler must rule the society, seeing that people have harmony in the society. He has to do what? Go Brahmanebhyaha Shubhamastu Nityam. See, this Kshatriya has to take care of cows and Brahmanas. Then what will happen? Lokas samasta sukhino bhavan. Then all lokas can be happy. If they don't have hygiene, what? Physical hygiene and mental hygiene, then the consequences will be very, very negative. Very much negative. That is why in our Sanatana Dharma we have got very clean thoughts, clean words, clean achara is there. In Sanatana Dharma is there, it is. But if people follow only, that Sanatana Dharma can be propagated. Otherwise it cannot stay with books. Sanatana Dharma is in the person, Dharma is in the Dharmi. What is that Sanatanam? Varna Ashrama Dharma, following the principles, disciplines. I will protect them, Bhagavan says. Our achara, our vichara, all are very much counted, considered to be a part of Sanatana Dharma. Let us know what is Sanatana Dharma first. Not knowing that all negative consequences we are facing. Samashti karma, samashti prarabdha. Everyone has to suffer. One place, somewhere in country, corona virus. How many countries are shivering now? How many countries are shivering? After all, virus. And many people are died, hundreds of people. And big technology, we have so much advanced, Swamini, so much advanced. One virus out, whole, every country, everyone, you go and see outside, ellaru mask pottindirka. You are not protected by the mask. What a powerful coronavirus. How it has come, you may be knowing already. They have taken the bat, no, not cricket bat. Adrude mamsam, some infection, something. So this is the news. Now it has come to even Madhya Pradesh also, it is there. Yesterday I went there. Even in Kerala it is there. Every place that is spreading, how powerful it is. That's why clean hygiene is very important. Our rishis, lifestyle, food, ahara, vyavahara, achara, vichara are fully hygienic. It's not a joke to maintain the physical health at personal level, global level. You maintain also, virus comes, what you can do? It is all over spreading everywhere. It's not one country, one state emergency. Kerala announced emergency. No. One Kerala emergency, worldwide emergency. No. That's the condition. Ahara, very, very important. Now you understand why vegetarian food. Vegetarian food also there are problems. Not this much, my God. பறக்கிறது நடக்கிறது எல்லாமே சாப்பிட்றதுன்னா எப்படி? How can you eat like that? All poisonous. Lizard poison, snake is a poisonous animal. How you can eat? The country people, especially China, பறக்கிறது நடக்கிறது எல்லாமே சாப்பிடுவான். Crawling also, walking, crawling, flying, what not, எல்லாமே சாப்பிடுவான். அங்கே சாப்பிடாத பொருளே கிடையாது. அது எப்படிதான் சாப்பிடுவான்னு தெரியாது. காக்ரோச் வச்சுட்டு ரசம் பண்ணுவானா? காக்ரோச் ரசம். அது சொன்னாலே எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு சாப்பிடவே முடியாது உங்களுக்கு. ஆனால் அவங்களுக்கு டெய்லி அது ஒரு ஃபீஸ்ட்டு. அப்படி இருக்கு. ஐ ஹர்ட் தட் ரசம் தே லைக் ஸோ மச். சூப்பு, காக்ரோச் சூப்புன்னு. Now you understand how our achara, our ahara, how great it is. And let us understand first. Our children are, in the name of fashion, they are getting habits of that foreign foods habits. Understand? These are all not just, I am talking Sanatana Dharma, ancient, old. No, it is at present physical, mental, intellectual hygiene is very important. Very, very. There are so many other points. I don't want to enter into that. Sorry, podum. In a coronavirus podum. So people, God will protect. Who protect themselves? I have given restrictions, rules and regulations. Why you have to violate? Why you have to violate? Sir, if you violate, you have to pay the price. Bhagavan says, I will protect them who help those, the Brahmanas. Now, we enter into Kshatriya Grihastha. How the Kshatriya Grihastha should lead his life. Verse 45. Sarvasamuddhared Rajam Piteva Vyasanat Prajah Atmanam Dhirah Yatha Gajapatir Gajanam. Here Lord Krishna gives a message Kshatriya cannot be protected by anyone except by God. Kshatriya should not expect any protection from local people. Kshatriya has to protect himself by himself. Atmana Atmanam. Here Atma means not self. One has to, Kshatriya has to protect himself by himself. Protecting himself, and he has to protect Brahmana. Clear? Now how much responsibility the Raja has having? Not our local Raja. Our local Raja theriyumilliyo? Ella scam. Lord Krishna talking about another Raja. Like Vikramaditya, Bhoja Raja, great Krishna Devaraya, or Pandya Rajas, Chola Rajas, how great they were. Even these people cannot, the dust particle of that Raja, they cannot stand in front of them. What a great Raja Asana. It says next, second line you see, Dhiraha, first line we can see. Raja Sarvaha Samudharet. Raja, the king, the ruler, has to protect everyone. Sarvaha Samudharet. He should not say my people, my state only. He should not say Sarvaha Samudharet. That is why our Prime Minister always use the word Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I don't want to only prosper my India only. Whole Vasudha is my Kutumbam. Entire earth is my family. It is not his own words. From ancient time we are seeing the entire world is our family. When can you protect them, help them? When your house is protected, you can protect others. So you have to make your country strong and make others also strong. Live happily, let them live happily, peacefully. That is our principle. We are teaching lesson to the other countries. Now Prime Minister has to protect himself and he has to protect others. Who are all refugees are there, he has to protect them. And at the time of protecting the refugees, he has to protect his government. Because there are many other people not allowing to protect others. And in the name of protecting others, they want to include those people also. The CAA is going on now because the Raja has come ruler, that's why I am talking about CAA. What CAA? Chartered Account illa. Citizenship Amendment Act. Means there are Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, so many Sikhs, so many people who are remaining in our country as in this country as refugees. We have to give them citizenship. Now the fighting is you have to give citizenship to Muslims also, Muslim refugees. Why to give Muslim refugees? From Pakistan, no Muslim was sent out, no Muslim was cheated, no Muslim was harassed, no Muslim was disturbed. Why we have to give citizenship to them? Why these people are not thinking and fighting against CAA? How many of you have read that news? I do not know. Kerala governor is a Muslim only. Asif Khan, it seems. He is a well qualified person. He is supporting CAA. He is a Muslim. He is an educated person. It has to be taken care of, not the Muslims from Pakistan. If Muslims are also given citizenship, why Pakistan separate there? They need not have country at all. Muslims need not be given citizenship. Because those who are sent out from their country, for them only we have to give citizenship. So this whole thing is a big plot. They want to disturb the government here. So this Prime Minister has to protect his government, and he has to provide that citizenship for those people who are suffering. 5 lakhs Kashmiri Pandits without citizenship. All were Brahmanas. They were all staying on footpaths in Delhi from many years. They cannot put vote, they cannot have job here, they cannot do any business here. They are all living like beggars from many years. So we have to provide that citizenship for them. So these are all very important. As a citizen of this country, I have to know little bit about the country, what is happening. It is not politics. If I talk about Modi, I am a political person, we should not think like that. We are not interested in either politics or any party or any prime minister or anything. We want dharma, that's all. That is our discussion here. So as a ruler, he has to protect. And he has to protect himself also. That's why I am talking about that topic, relevant topic. Atmana Atmanam Dhiraha, he has to protect himself. Yatha Gajapati Gajan Iva, just as the elephant protects all its elephants. The main elephant, Gajapati, who is the leader of the all elephant group, this elephant is walking in front. If any one of the elephant is trapped anywhere, all elephants will go and protect that elephant. Gajapatihi Gajan Iva, just as the one elephant, leader elephant, protect all the elephants, similarly this Raja has to protect the entire society and protecting himself. He should not expect protection from any other animal. This Gajapati should not expect any protection from any other animal. It has to protect itself and it has to protect all its elephant group. Like that, a Raja, a ruler also, he has to protect himself, his constitution, his all members, his government. He has to protect himself and he has to protect others also. That is the message here. Sarvaha samudharet. And you have to help to other countries also. We should not loot others' property, others' land. We should not encroach. If anybody come and encroach your house, how do you feel? If they come and encroach you, do you allow? But you are allowing the country to encroach by other country. That's what China did. China has encroached Siachen. China has encroached Manas Sarovar. Manas Sarovar and that Mount Kailas. What is the connection between China and Manas Sarovar? With due respect, they have to hand over to you. You, the people of India, you are worshipping Manas Sarovar. Mount Kailas is your pilgrimage center. Please, I am handovering to you. First, they should not encroach. First, wrong thing is what? Encroaching. And if you want to go to Manas Sarovar, Mount Kailash, you have to pay tax to the China. What is the connection between China and Mount Kailash? Tell me. Why they have to encroach? This is the history of many countries in the world. History. They have such a history. Including America. All Americans were only Britishers. And a group of Britishers came. This is the fact. We have to know. We need not afraid of talking truth, and we need not afraid of receiving the truth also. Red Indians were thrown away from that place. and they are the looters. They have looted that Red Indians place, and all our people are going and earning dollars there. What history they are having, and what history we are having here, because our children do not know the value of this land, this culture, and earning money there, where the looters are governing and making money. And is it not papadhana? Tell me. That wealth is sinful wealth only, whatever you earn on that land. That's why pavitrata comes not just by the land. Dharma. Where dharma is there, there shanti will be there. The shanti comes where dharma is. Dharma will never spare anyone at any time. Dharma is most important here. I love dharma, I want dharma. Wherever dharma is, Bhagavan is. Wherever dharma is, Bhagavan is. Where Bhagavan said, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatraha Sri Vijayaha Bhutihiyana. Vijaya means success. Wherever dharma is there, Bhagavan is there. Wherever Bhagavan is there, dharma is there. Wherever Bhagavan dharma is there, success is there. That's why our mind, our body also be always with dharma. Atmana Atmanam Yatha Gajapati Gajan Iva Sarvaha Samudharet Raja. Like father, Pita Iva Vesanat Prajaha. When people are in distress, Vesanat means when people are in a difficult situation, when they are not pursued their dharma, ashrama dharma, varna dharma, when they are not able to persuade, the king has to protect them, provide them, see them to practice their religious practices and rituals. They have to allow them to continue. But Pakistan people never allowed Hindus to continue their worship, and they have given troubles we cannot utter in words, you cannot listen also. That much in what you can call in a bad way, we can say. We cannot hear also those words. So I don't want to utter also. That way our Hindus were really disturbed in Pakistan till today. Why they are not allowing our other dharmic people, other religious people to be peaceful? If you don't convert into Islam, you cannot live in this country peacefully. Have you heard that Kerala conversion, 18 women were taken into Islam and converted into Islam, and they got married and they are taken to Afghanistan and they have converted them into human bombs. All women come to know that later, very much later. And they were all talking. How many of you heard? I do not know. Yesterday's news, not 10 months back news. Yesterday news. You listen that news. What is not the religion? That is not religion. In the name of religion, they want to occupy the entire world. They are all landmongerers. Not religion. It's not a religious plan and all. It is, they want to occupy the land. That's all. That is their plan. So you have to know what is happening. Neighbor, house, right side, left side. Otherwise you will be in danger tomorrow. You will be in danger if you close your eyes. You have to be very careful. So that is the topic. How relevant Uddhava Gita today. Today problems I have to tell you connected to that Uddhava Gita of Bhagavatam of Krishna. Adiki idhukku enna connection Swamini enna. Nariya connection irukku. Irukka illaya? Otherwise you say tomorrow I cannot follow Uddhava Gita, Krishna and all what he said because this is. Uddhava Gita, what Krishna said in Dwapara Yuga is relevant today also. In other form it is there, not in same format, but different format. Therefore, we have to follow our dharma first. Next verse, continuation of Kshatriya. Evam vidho narapatihi vimanenarkavarchasa vidhuyeha shubham krishnam indrena sahamodate. The reading habits must be always alive. We should read some news, hearing news, and what is happening. At least reading our Puranas, at least every day, Ramayana, Bharata, or 10 lines. Always in kitchen, either in kitchen, always in cleaning the house or in the office. That is also required. But some knowledge also is required. I should not be too ignorant what is happening around. It's okay, I have to know what is happening around. What is truth, what is untruth also I should know. Otherwise, I am only responsible for all problems in the society. Every person become responsible. So we are normally blaming the society, corrupt society, adulteration, this, that and all. Don't blame anybody. We are also having responsibility towards that. Every person is responsible. What I am doing to protect, to maintain that. Swachha Bharat means only Prime Minister come and clean our road daily. He cannot. Just he make an announcement. It is our duty to keep our house clean, our street clean. Like that, here also, it is our job to protect our dharma, our family to maintain the dharma, our family to maintain that Sanatana dharma, our society to maintain Sanatana dharma, our son and daughter also to be in Sanatana dharma. That is our job. He will not come and ask us all the time. We have to take care of. Someone should come and take care of us all the time. This is the human tendency. Someone should come and take care of all the time. Nobody bothers about the society. In the 3 days whom I met the people, I wonder how business people earning lot of money from so many years, and if anything happens to them to pay the tax and anything comes, they are disturbed. Why can't you pay tax? For the sake of country, why can't you reduce your income? For the sake of country, I have to sacrifice something. All bureaucrats, they must give up certain things for the sake of country. And having that accustomed to that money, earning and all. Now rules and regulations, now anything comes in the country, they cannot adjust with that, and they blame the government. What for? For their selfishness, for their business, for their industry. Nothing should happen, no one should touch, no one should question. Now if anyone questions, his government is wrong, his ruling is wrong, his party is wrong. It is not convenient for me. Interest has reduced, bank interest. And criticizing the Prime Minister. Reduce and it has to be reduced. If it is reduced, he is eating that money. Tell me. Prime Minister is not eating. For the sake of the country, for the welfare of the country, they have to make so many changes in the country. In that process, I have to sacrifice certain things. My income I have to sacrifice. My comforts I have to sacrifice. For the sake of the entire humanity. So the people must have broad vision. should not think about my own family, my bank account, my interest, bank interest. அப்படியே பார்க்கக்கூடாது. So narrow-minded means that much developed in the mindset has become that way. No broad vision. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu is not there. Yesterday one person was doing one prayer. Bhagavan sarve jana sukhino bhavantu gate samay. And my bachcho, my children also be comfortable. In sarve jana, your bachcho are there or not? Your children are also there. Not knowing what is sarve jana, loka samasta, and asking separately, my grandson, my grandchildren, and my son, my daughter. But selfish, too much selfishness is also harmful to oneself and society also. Therefore Krishna says that Kshatriya, whoever protects himself and protects the Brahmana, that person will get Indra Padavi. I will send one Vimana, that which has got brightness, Arka Varchasa Vimanena. With that Vimana, he is welcome to give the Indra Padavi, the Devas, the Raja. That is, he says, Evam Vidho Narapatihi. In this manner, whoever rule from past 70 years, without corruption, there was no party at all, there was no any government at all. Now only we have got a prime minister who is not corrupted. No. Narapatihi evam vidaha. The one who is working only for the country, only for this dharma, only for this Sanatana dharma, who is working after independence of that 1947, now only we have got the real prime minister who is thinking about this country. For the welfare of this dharma, this religion, this Hindu Sanatana dharma, he is thinking at least without having any corruption. So such a evam vidaha narapatihi, what is the benefit? Ashubham vidhuyeya iha. In this life itself, all papams will go away. Vidhuya, Krishnam. Krishna means, literal meaning is totally. But here totally means relatively, not absolutely. Relatively. All papams will go away. For that Kshatriya, Indrena saha modati. He can enjoy with Indra. I will send a Vimana which has got Arka Tejasa, Arka Varchasa. That Kshatriya is welcomed to Indra Loka and he is offered Indra Padavi. Who says? Not local Swamini is telling. Lord Krishna himself says. Our problem is we never respect words of Bhagavan. We respect Bhagavan, but not words of Bhagavan. We never take more seriously, that words. I protect that Kshatriya, Bhagavan says. All the way for what purpose? Tell me. If he protects Brahmana, why he has to protect Brahmana? Brahmana will protect that Veda, Vedic Dharma, Varna Dharma, Ashrama Dharma which I have given for the maintenance of my creation, what I have done. So you have to connect everything. Connect pannanum. Hey Uddhava, at the time of creation I have given Varna Dharma, Ashrama Dharma, to maintain the harmony of the society in the creation. So my creation will be smooth. This can be protected by Brahmana. That Brahmana must be protected by the Kshatriya. This Kshatriya will be protected by me. Puriyar the connection? Puriyar no? All the way, my creation, what I have done, this has to be maintained harmoniously. For that harmony's sake only, this Brahmana is taking care of. He is a trustee. That trustee has to be taken care of by this Kshatriya. This Kshatriya will be taken care of by me, Bhagavan says. டெய்லி கொஞ்சம் கற்பூர ஆரத்தி பண்ணி மணி அடிச்சுட்டு பகவான் எல்லாம் நல்லா நல்லபடியாக ஆகணும் ப்ரேயர் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துடுவோம். We just do that prayer only. Everybody is doing in their house. Real worship is this. Bhagavan always save or protect those people who really understand and follow. Not for their selfish ends sake only who worship Bhagavan. Bhagavan cannot do anything. Narayana Seva is what? Naraseva. Naraseva means serve to humanity. Serve to the society. Means because society, humanity is Bhagavan. Bhagavan is in the form of creation. So if I serve to humanity, I am serving to Bhagavan. Then what Bhagavan gives? What he gives, I don't bother. I want to serve the humanity, this whole creation of Bhagavan. Bhagavan will take care of. Whether he take care of or not, it is his problem, not my problem. But I serve to Bhagavan, which is in the form of creation. That's called Panchamahayajna. If you understand this, you are a Sanatanaha. You have to follow. You have to implement. Next verse, we will see. Now he is going to enter a new topic with the 46th Brahmana Varna Brahmana Grihastha topic over and Kshatriya Grihastha topic also over. Now Apad Dharma, very important this is. Apad Dharma is going to come about Brahmana Kshatriya Vaishyas. Sidan Vipro Manik Vritya Panyaireva Padam Taret Khadgena Vapada Krantaha Nashvavritya Kathanchana. Apad Dharma. Apad means adverse situation. When a person in adverse situation, Shastra allows that person to take up another vritti, a profession, dharma. He is permitted. Because apat is a genuine reason, Shastra permits. What is that? Look into the word. Sidan Vipraha. When the Vipraha, Brahmana apat dharma, this is. When Brahmana is in apat dharma for Brahmana is this. When Brahmana is not able to follow that Brahmana vritti, what teaching, yajanam, yajanam, pathanam, pathanam, danam, parigraha, all this he is not able to do, suppose. What profession he has to take? He can take vanik vritya, he can take Vaishya's profession. If there is genuine reason, everyone should not take Vaishya profession, business. Business, agriculture and all, Brahmanas, not Brahmana profession. If you won't get, you cannot survive in that profession, suppose, you can take Khadgenava. You can take Kshatriya profession also. That is what Dronacharya took. Dronacharya suffered a lot without food. Ashwatthama, he is not able to give glass of milk to Ashwatthama. Dronacharya, Ashwatthama, son of Dronacharya. Dronacharya is not able to feed for his son with nice food, nice clothes and all. That's why he went to teach that all archery to Pandavas and Kauravas. That is genuine reason. Why Dronacharya, Brahmana, has to teach only why he did war in Kurukshetra? Question will come. Now see the answer here. சரியாக படிக்க மாட்டோம், சும்மா கொஷின்ஸ் மாத்திரம் கேட்போம். நம்ம பிராமணன் க்ஷத்ரியன் துரோணன் வந்து அப்படி பண்ணலாமான்னு பண்ணலாம். அதுதான் தர்ம சூக்ஷ்மம் here. Because Drona was not having anything to take care of his wife and son. For son's sake, he entered the palace of Kauravas. And his son will lose everything, he becomes out of Kauravas. So his son is Ashwatthama, accustomed to pleasures. If he also goes to Pandava's side, Drona knows Dharma is Pandava's side. Drona also comes Pandava's side. Ashwatthama also has to drop everything, all pleasures, palace, everything he has to drop. Dronacharya, for the sake of his son, he has taken up that Kshatriya profession. Now you see here, Khadgenava. Example, you have to connect that Bharata, Ramayana, everywhere it is like that. Dharma Sukshmam is there. Khadgenava, Vanikvritya, he can do business also at times. Not for all people, all Brahmanas. புரியுறதா? இதே சான்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு நான் பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணுறேன், நான் ஃபைட் பண்ணுறேன்னா பண்ணக்கூடாது. If genuine reason is there only. If you are not able to survive in this country, you cannot feed your wife and son only, you can go to abroad. Okay? If you don't get food here, if you don't get clothes here, you can run to any country, Arab country. You can serve them if you don't get food here. Are you starving? As though food is not available here, house is not available, people are running. And eating the food which kept in the fridge 7 days back. Don't mistake me, okay? Just as a fun I am telling, don't take seriously also. What is happening I am telling, okay? So this is the way people are. When genuine reason is there only, Brahmana should work under someone, either Vanik or Kshatriya duty. He should not go to Shudra karma. He should not become a slave under someone. See that word. Shvavritya na kadhanchana. He should not become slave working under someone. Shvavritya means Shudra karma. Shudra is always serving under someone, working under someone. Vanik means you can do business on your own, you are the boss. If you are a Kshatriya, you are the master, you are the leader, at least. அது எடுத்துக்கோப்பா, பிராமண கர்மம் முடியலன்னா, but don't go for Shudra karma. Brahmana should not go. This is apad dharma. You are allowed. Okay? More in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.